Have you ever found the absolute perfect research paper for your school project or work, only to be blocked by a frustrating paywall asking you to pay $30 or $40 just to read it? It is incredibly annoying. But what if I told you there is a completely free, legal way to bypass those paywalls in just one click? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you how to use Unpaywall, an incredible tool that gives you instant access to millions of scholarly articles. So what exactly is Unpaywall? It is an open database containing over 56 million free, legal scholarly articles. It's run by Our Research, which is a nonprofit dedicated to making science and research accessible to everyone. They harvest open access content from over 50,000 publishers and repositories worldwide, making it incredibly easy to find and read the papers you need. The absolute best way to use it is by grabbing their free Chrome and Firefox browser extension. Once you install it, you just go about your normal research. When you land on a paywalled research paper, the Unpaywall extension works in the background. It searches its massive database to see if there is a legal, open access version of that exact paper hosted somewhere else. If it finds one, a little green unlock icon appears on the side of your screen. You just click that green tab, and boom, you have the full PDF completely free and legally. If it's gray, it means a free version isn't available. It's that simple. Now, let's talk about pros and cons. On the positive side, it is 100% free, open source, and run by a nonprofit, so you don't have to worry about hidden fees or sketchy data tracking. It's also incredibly lightweight and saves you hours of manual searching. As for the cons, while we don't have a database of individual user reviews to share with you today, the main limitation is that it can't unlock every paper. If a legal, free version of the paper doesn't exist anywhere on the web, Unpaywall can't magically create one. Even without external user reviews to reference, the tool is highly trusted and already integrated into thousands of university library systems and search platforms worldwide. If you want to try it out for yourself, just head over to unpaywall.org, click Get the extension, and add it to your browser. It takes less than 10 seconds to set up. If this video helped you save some time and money on your research, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let me know in the comments if Unpaywall worked for your latest project. Thanks for watching, and happy researching!